Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vegetable salad with homemade Thousand Island dressing. We'll cover selecting fresh ingredients, preparing the dressing from scratch, and assembling your salad quickly. This easy method ensures a tasty and healthy meal for any occasion. Let's get started on this simple culinary journey. First, let's get those vegetables ready. Thoroughly wash and dry all your produce to ensure cleanliness. Then, chop your leafy greens, like romaine or iceberg lettuce, into manageable, bite-sized pieces. Next, dice cucumbers and tomatoes, and perhaps grate some carrots or slice bell peppers for extra crunch and vibrant color. Remember, fresh ingredients are key to a great salad. Now for the star of the show, our homemade Thousand Island dressing. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. Add a dash of Worcestershire sauce and a pinch of onion powder for depth. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and creamy. Chilling it for about 15 minutes really helps the flavors meld beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Place your freshly chopped and prepared vegetables into a large salad bowl. Generously drizzle your delicious homemade Thousand Island dressing over the top. Gently toss the salad until all the vegetables are evenly coated with that creamy, tangy goodness. Serve immediately and enjoy your incredibly easy, fresh, and flavorful vegetable salad. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.